July soybeans were slightly lower in a rather thinly traded day with the three-day holiday weekend, Good Friday, markets being closed on Good Friday. And, really just kind of choppy and sort of ping-ponging between two major support resistance levels in the form of the 50-day moving average, which is sitting at 1041 in the July contract, and the 200-day moving average, which is sitting at 1052. That pretty much encompassed our range today. We did get over that 1052 200-day moving average for a little bit, but then settled back in between the two. So, again, sort of a thinner day as we wait to see what happens over the weekend from a news standpoint, but also watching for rains. There are some pretty big weekend rains in the forecast that could slow the planting progress. Now, keep in mind, it is very early in the planting season. As of last week, or as of this Monday, we were 2% planted. That compares to 2% on average. So again, we're in the very, very beginning stages of planting. But don't be surprised if we're a little bit behind average when we look at that report Monday afternoon. The market won't take too much of that into consideration because it's just the start. But if it goes on for a couple of weeks, that will become a bigger concern. In the meantime, we did have our weekly export sales report, and they were at the higher end of expectations at 555,000 metric tons for 24-25. The trade expectations were 100 to 800,000 metric tons, another really wide range, by the way. And then another 182,000 metric tons for 25-26, which is actually really nice to see because we really don't have anything on the books for new crop soybean sales. That was that represents a little less than half of what we have on the books now. And the trade expectations for that were 0 to 150. So a little bit better than trade expectations. Overall, I'd say a fairly positive report there for the weekly export sales. Lots to be watching for next week. Weather, headline news. There will be a lot of different things impacting these markets. So everybody stay tuned and you stay safe.